So basically, I'll cover the basics of what is digital marketing in this session. Probably it will go on for another 15 to 20 minutes time maximum.
Okay.
Fine. So let me just understand from you what would be the meaning for the term digital marketing. As far as you would have heard about the term, you would have worked with that. So can you just
From
give me a just introduction or your understanding about that?
digital marketing is all about promoting the product
Promoting the product. Okay, fine.
digitally via social media,
Social media, right?
YouTube.
Right. Fine. So most people, what when you ask them, what they give the answer is these are some of the answers, right? It's web marketing or online marketing or internet marketing or marketing using digital media. So your answer was also somewhat closer to it. You said that promoting the products or services through digital channels like social media, search engines, like that you said, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So most people will give either of these answers. One among the four answers you see on the screen. So, uh, but this is not perfect answer. Like this is not an in-depth answer. We need to know what is digital marketing in depth. So to know that, we need to understand what is marketing.
Okay.
Okay. So can you tell me what is marketing?
Marketing is about promoting things.
Promoting. Okay, fine. Digital marketing is promoting using digital media. Marketing is promoting or advertising all these things, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me just give you a small picture of how marketing process is happening, and after that we will define a small, simpler definition. We will come up with a simpler definition of what marketing is. Okay, here you can see a company which develops a product's promotional message. Like assume that the company is offering some product or service to the consumers, and it develops a promotional message. It needs to be directed to the right customers.
Okay.
Okay, so basic thing is this is what is happening. You don't start selling your product. You just say that this product is worthy enough to buy. This product has got these benefits and all these kinds of valuable information about the products you give in a form of message. That message is called content. You can also say that as a content. Okay, so that content, that product message, you are sending it to the right customer. You are directing it to the right customers. That is called marketing. And what the customers will do in turn, what on seeing the advertisements, on seeing any kind of message or any kind of articles about the product, what they will do? Can you guess what they will do?
Like, come again, sir?
No, no. Assume that a company has provided some promotional message and it is directed to the consumer through some channels. Okay, it's from social media. You are seeing some ad from search engine. You are seeing some ads. Some on some websites you see some display ads, banner ads, all these things. On YouTube you see some video ads. All these are all marketing initiatives from the company's point of view. On seeing all these things, what a typical consumer will be doing, what the company expects a consumer to do.
End of the say, the consumer wants to buy it. He needs that.
Yes,
Right.
he has to do some action.
Yes.
Either he has to go and go to the website and buy that, or he should go and visit the website and understand who they are, or he might download some ebook or something related to that, or even in some other cases he will be required to give their email address as a lead generation thing,
Okay.
right? Any of these actions will be performed by the consumer. To make that action, the company sends this promotional message about their product or services or brand, right? Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here at this point in time, with whatever understanding, with whatever we have seen so far, we can give a small simpler definition about marketing. So it is influencing customer to take a desired action. Right? You are influencing the customer to take a desired action. Whose desire it is? It is the business desire. Business desire, there is a desire in business mind that this consumer, on viewing this ad, on viewing this article, on viewing this marketing message, the consumer has to do this action. Either he has to download it, or he has to click and come to our website, or he has to click and give a call to me. These are all the desired actions that the business expects the consumer to do. So for that, the business is sending the promotional message, which will influence them to do the desired action, right? So in this, there are two key terms here. One is the influence, and second is the desired action, as I said earlier. Uh, for example, desired influences is creating interest. This is done by the business. Business creates interest, and desired action is something like a purchase or a this is done by the customers. So we have come to a stage to define it in a very simpler way that marketing is influencing customer to take a desired action, right? So
Okay.
now can you tell me what is digital marketing?
Influencing the customers.
Influencing the as we have already seen, digital marketing is marketing using digital media, right? So we are replacing the marketing with the definition that we have come up right now, that is influencing the customer to take a desired action using digital media, right? So this is what is marketing. This is one of the very there are a lot n number of definitions are there, but this is the basic bare minimum simpler definition that we can come out with for a understanding purpose. Okay, so we have seen what is marketing, what is digital marketing, we have seen, and let's see what is digital media. Digital media. So this is digital marketing. And what is media? Can you tell me what is media?
For example, okay, the TV shows is one of the way of the digital marketing.
Fine, fine,
Okay,
fine,
Facebook.
fine. You're trying to give me some examples of media, right? So I want to
I
know.
don't know the exact meaning of that, but I know the media is like where we can see the product info.
Yeah, from the customer's point of view, it is the place where, or it is a platform where you can see the products or company's products or services or what they are offering, all these things in a form of a content. Okay, advertisement is a content. Any ebook is a content. Anything that promotes the business, you are watching it through a media. Okay, so let me just explain this media, what this media is all about. So media is nothing but a plural form of medium. Right? We would have from our school days we will know about this term medium, English medium. I somebody from you might have studied I mean in Karnataka it will be Kannada medium, in Tamil Nadu it is Tamil medium, like that. So medium is, there are two parties
Okay,
there. One is a teacher, another is a student, and between those two people there is a platform, there is a common thing through which they communicate with each other.
they share each other.
Yeah, they talk to each other through that way. So this is medium, the meaning, plain meaning of the meaning of medium, that's a means of communication. Okay, so again we will come to the companies. We need to know about the digital media, the marketing media. The term medium, for that we have given a definition as means of communication, but we need to know about digital media. So again we'll come back to the same picture. Here, the company sends a promotional message of their product or service or a brand to the right customers. Through what? Media. It is a platform that is that stands between the company and the customer. On the left side, you have a company. On the right side, you have a customer, and it stands in between that, so that it's a transport. It's a communication medium between these two parties. Okay. So what is it? It's the bridge connecting business and customers. right? So digital marketing media must be like, it is a marketing media using digital platforms like social media, search engine, search media. All these things are all
It's
digital media. And in
very big.
general, marketing media is anything between the customer and the business. TV is a marketing media, newspaper is a marketing media, radio is a marketing media, even billboards is a anything, banner is a marketing media, and likewise, internet and digital media is also a marketing media,
Okay.
right? So we will see the popular marketing medias that surrounds us everywhere. One is, the main thing is online media, which is gaining popularity nowadays. That is internet based. That is digital media. Second is television, radio, print media, which covers newspaper, e-books, magazines, all these things, and even direct mail, post also. Those days we used to get letters from some companies. Now if we give them their address, our address, they will send some post about their offers, right? It's also a medium here. And banners, billboards, even direct calls, phone calls, SMS, all these things are all mediums. Anything, you need to keep in mind that anything that is between the customer and the business and acts as a communication medium, communication platform, or a communication channel between these two parties are all considered as mediums. And for us, digital medium is something which runs over the internet. Okay. So fine, let's get into digital. We will confine only with digital marketing media. What are all the types? First thing is search media. That is Google search engine, Bing search engine, all these things comes under search media. Second thing is social media. That is Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, all this comes under social media. Next is display ads. You would have seen on many websites, there's some banner ads, like based on your recent visits to their website. All these things, they calculate, they have an algorithm which calculates, which takes into account lot of parameters, and since it delivers you some certain ads. So these are all display ads, banner ads, that comes
As
under
is,
pardon
as
me.
is in YouTube.
Yes, yes, not in, yeah, you will see in YouTube also. YouTube also, many blog sites will have blogs. Usually they have this kind of display ads will be there.
Yes.
And email, Facebook Messenger, it is one type of media. And blogs, forums, like this is a medium to transfer our to communicate what we thought to the customers. Okay. And to be very frank, this is not, it's not limited to this is major categories. There are, so next is, let's move on to what are all digital marketing tools and techniques that we will be using to communicate to the customers. Okay. So initially, before coming to this topic, we will recap what we have seen. We have seen what is marketing. Marketing is influencing the customers to take a desired action. What is digital marketing? The same thing, marketing using digital media. That is influencing the customer to take a desired action using digital media. Initially, we saw what is marketing. Next, we saw what is digital marketing. And after that, we have seen what are all the digital media used in digital marketing. Like in the previous slide, we have seen no search media, social media, display ads, forums, emails, all these things. And now this comes, we will now, we have reached a stage where we need to understand what are all the tools we are going to use, what are all the techniques that we are going to use from the business point of view, from the business side, to communicate to the customers through the digital media. We are going to use digital media to communicate to the customers, and what are all the techniques you are going to use over the digital media to communicate to them. That's what we are going to see now. And let me list down what are all that. One is a content marketing. Okay, we create a content which is, and we market it, we promote it through various channels. Second is SEO, search engine optimization. When we develop a content in a form of a blog in our website, we will try to promote it. Okay, so search engine includes keyword research also.
Okay.
That's one major topic there. And next is SEM, search engine marketing. In search engine, you would have seen some ads like at the top of the when you type some keywords and
Yes.
so SEM is search engine marketing.
Okay.
You would have seen in Google.com, if you go and type some keywords, you will see a lot of results. Okay. At the top of that results, you will have some four ads will be coming there. You would have seen on Google. If you want to see, I'll just show it to you.
And pay for that ads.
Yeah, yeah, you need to pay for the ads. Yeah, I'll just show you one second. Okay, I've gone to google.com now. Let me type something like LED TVs for sale or something. You can see this, right?
Yes, sir.
This is an ad, this is an ad, and these are also ad. These are all shopping ads. This kind of ad is called shopping ad, and this kind of ads are called search ads. And you will also see a couple of ads in the bottom also. Reliance Digital, that's one ad coming up. So these are all coming under this topic, search engine marketing. This is our, and next is social media marketing, which will cover both social media, organic kind of thing like optimization, and second is social media marketing, that is again ads on Facebook. You would have seen, I mean, not only Facebook, on any other social media network like YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, anywhere. So all this comes under social media marketing. Next is video marketing, that is YouTube marketing, YouTube ads. And another topic is the analytics. And next is email marketing. Email is also the way to email marketing is a technique by which you send emails business side to the customer so that they take a decide action. This comes under email marketing. We will see some of the tools like Mailchimp and all. So where you can schedule the emails, where you can automate the stuff. And finally, we will have affiliate marketing. That's also another topic. These are all the topics that we are the major topics that we are going to cover in this course. Okay.